Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today in this video we're gonna see how to crochet this super simple beanie made from super bulky yarn. I've used a ButterCream luxe yarn, which is a super bulky number 6 yarn for this beanie, and you can crochet this beanie in less than one and a half hours. So come on, let's see how to crochet this beautiful super bulky beanie. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well, so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, please do not forget to like us and follow us on all our social media handles to get immediate updates. For this project, we're going to use this ButterCream Luxe Craft yarn, which is alpaca blend yarn, and it's super bulky. It's in the shade of light pink, and the yarn recommends about 10mm crochet hook, and I'll be using the same, that is the 10mm crochet hook. So, and it's a super bulky number 6 yarn, and the yardage is about 130 yards, and it's 80% acrylic and 20% alpaca blend. So come on, let's see how we are going to crochet our beanie. So for starting row 1, we would work 27 chains. So keep working 27 chains. So once we've worked 27 chains, I'm gonna now work 1 half double crochet on the 3rd chain from the hook, and I'll be working 1 half double crochet on every chain till the end. So we're gonna work 1 half double crochet on every chain till the end. So at the end of this row, we will have chain 2 plus 25 half double crochet stitches. So keep working 1 half double crochet on every chain till the end. So now we are at the end. I'm gonna continue working row 2. For row 2, we are going to crochet chain 2 and turn your work, and we are going to work 1 half double crochet on the back loop of every stitch. So you can see this V here, so you can see the front and back loop. I'm going to only pick up my back loop, yarn over, insert my hook on the back loop, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. So I'm gonna yarn over, insert my hook on the back loop, and work 1 half double crochet stitch. So we are going to work 1 half double crochet stitch on every stitch of row 1 till the end, and at the end of row 2 we will have a chain 2 and 25 back loop half double crochet stitches. So keep working 1 half double crochet stitches on the back loop of every stitch till the end. So now we are going to complete our row 2. So I'm on the last stitch. So we've completed our row 2. We can proceed with our row 3. So every row, please count your number of stitches so that you don't add extra stitches to your work. So we'll always have 25 half double crochet and chain 2. So row 3, I'm going to work chain 2, turn my work and just repeat row 2. That is, we are going to work 1 half double crochet on the back loop of every stitch till the end. So at the end of every row, we are going to only have 25 half double crochet stitches worked on the back loop plus chain 2. So we are going to repeat row 2 until we reach row number 26. So keep working back loop half double crochets on every stitch and keep repeating row 2 till we reach row 26. So now I'm at the end of row number 26. You can see how beautifully the ribbing patterns has formed. So what we are going to do is I'm going to just fold my work and then I'm going to work slip stitches to connect to join the both ends together. So this is for adult regular size, which would be the length would be 19 inches and the height would be 11 inches. So I'll update the description of the sizing for modification for various hats, for example for child or teen or adult small. So you can refer to the sizing and work your chains accordingly. So when we fold our work, you need to form a ribbing pattern. So you need to work your rows accordingly as well. So if we stop a row before this, we would not have the ribbing when we join. So always make sure that you have the ribbing completely when you join these two ends together, so which will look good and seamless. So now I'm gonna join these two ends with the slip stitch. So I'm gonna pick up my front loop of one end, and I'm going to work with my starting rows stitch. So I'm going to pick up my front loop of my last row, and then I'm going to work a slip stitch with the corresponding stitch on the first row. So keep working one slip stitch for the corresponding row of the first row till the end, and then you can fasten off and work a slip stitch and cut your yarn by leaving a long tail, so that we need to join the top part of our hat. So we'll be joining the top part of our hat. So you will need to leave a long tail for sewing the top part of our hat. So keep working slip stitches till the end. So now we've joined both our ends, and this is how our ribbing looks like when we fold it inside out, but we'll not do that yet. We need to join the or sew in the top portion of our hat. So I'm cutting my yarn, leaving a long tail, and then I will attach a tapestry needle. I have so much of yarn left, so this hat takes less than one skein of that yarn. So I'll be using that leftover yarn for some other project. So I'm working a slip stitch here, and we're joining it with the tapestry needle, and I'm gonna gather the stitches like I do, and then I will tighten it, and then work a knot, and then I will just work a couple of stitches to close any gaps if I have, and then I will secure it with a knot. And don't cut your yarn yet, so we'll have to attach the pom pom as well. So just gather your stitches, work a knot, and then just give it a couple of extra stitches to just sew in any gaps if you may have. So keep working and sew in the top portion of your hat. So I'm just turning the hat inside out to show you how our ribbed beanie looks like. So I will be just folding in to make a nice thick brim for our hat. So our hat is done. You can leave it as such, or if you prefer to add in a pom pom, you can do that. That's what I'm gonna do as well. So I'm gonna attach a pom pom to this super bulky beanie. So I've got this beautiful pom pom from Amazon. I will update the link of this pom pom in the description box. So I got it in 6 colors. I got 2 pom poms in each color. So they have given me an elastic band. So I'm gonna sew in my pom pom to my hat like this. So that's why I didn't cut my yarn yet. So come on, let's sew in our pom pom to the hat. So once you've sewed in your pom pom, you can give a yarn a nice snug knot, and then you can cut off your excess yarn. Our beautiful, super bulky, soft beanie is ready. And I hope you found this project very simple and easy to do. Try this at home and let me know your comments below. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.